Hola, my sexy puppies. How to get a woman addicted to you forever. So we are gonna talk about how to get a woman addicted to you forever. Forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Listen, I'm gonna tell you how I have found my relationships, the guys that I got addicted to. What was that one thing that got me addicted to them? Now, before we go any further, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell, and baby, by the end of this video, mama wants you to give that video a nice like. Yes, I do, boy. Now listen, before I get into the juice, I need to just keep it real. Some of you guys post on all of these relationship videos, oh, to get a woman addicted to you, you need to have a big wallet and good looks. Let me tell you something, that is some bullshit. I'm gonna tell you why that's some bullshit. Because you are using that to hide. You are hiding behind self-defeatism. You are hiding behind your own saboteur. It is an excuse for you to not get up off your lazy ass and change your life. Instead, you'd rather sit on your hairy ass that needs to be waxed, and you'd rather be a victim, complaining about shit, giving women all the power, saying women are this, women are that, your MGTOW, NGTWO, whatever the that shit is. Basically, you want to remain a victim. Well, you got to cut that shit out, because you are in charge of you, and you are the most powerful person on this planet if you choose to be. But sitting on your ass, whining, being on YouTube, scratching your balls, complaining, trolling is not going to get you anywhere. You know what it's going to get you? It's going to get you watching porn for the rest of your life, jacking off and squirting all over your laptop. And that is not what you were made for. So now that we have that clear, we shall proceed. Let me tell you, good looks is great. Having money is great. But let me tell you, I have coached countless men, and I can tell you that some of the best looking guys who have money, I personally would not give them the time or day. And guess what? Other women wouldn't give them the time or day either. Hello, that's why they were coaching with me. Because just looks and money does not cut it. In fact, that's not what women are looking for. Does it help? Yes. If you want some shallow ass woman who's gold digging for the rest of her life and that's what you want and that's what you're trying to get, maybe get off this channel. Shame on you. But if you're wanting a quality woman and you want her to be addicted to you forever, let me tell you the one thing that the men that I chose to be in relationship with did. These guys all had an ability to access vulnerability, which essentially, we throw that word around, vulnerability, but these guys had a way of accessing my heart. Boom. You see, if you want a woman addicted to you forever, then buddy, you have to know how to access that woman's heart. Listen, you have money, you can have looks, you can have all those things, but over time, those things vanish. Those things are no longer important. But if you know how to access a woman's heart, then you will have her addicted to you forever. And the men that I chose to be in relationship with, nope, some of them didn't have money. Some of them weren't good looking. Some of them were both. They weren't good looking and they didn't have money. Was something wrong with me? No, these men knew how to access my heart. The way to access a woman's heart is through vulnerability. A way to access a woman's heart is knowing what's going on in your heart and you being settled in yourself. You see, there's a level of emotional maturity that we as a society, whether you have a vagina, whether you have a penis, regardless, we are in a place in our society where we've got to amp up emotional maturity, emotional awareness. I like to call them emotional warriors. This is what makes us addicted to one another. It is that ability that we can connect to one another. In fact, it is the one thing that we are all crying out for more than ever. Whether you're single, in a relationship, successful, not successful, we are made for a relationship. We are made for connection. But to be able to access that, we will have to go through the heart, which means we're gonna have to grow up. Which means, you know what? You're gonna have to sit your ass down with a coach like myself and go, all right, I'm ready to do the work. I'm tired of blaming society. I'm tired of blaming women. I'm tired of blaming my lack of social status. I am ready to be accountable for me. That is the first start of emotional maturity, is saying, I need help. I have come to terms with myself. I find my own insufficiencies. I see them and I'm willing and I am ready to change them. This ability to access people's hearts can not only change your love life, but it can change your life overall. You look at someone like Oprah. Oprah is so successful. This woman is a billionaire. She is a single black woman who is a billionaire. She has always had the odds stacked against her. But the one gift that Oprah has that you can't take away is she knows how to access people's hearts. Every guy that I've been with, they've been able to ask those questions that get me to open up my heart. They've been able to see me in ways I was not able to see myself, which essentially made my heart feel seen. And when a woman's heart, when she feels seen by you, when she feels understood by you, when she feels validated by you, she is going to want to open her heart with you. She's going to want to share her heart. And as a result, she wants to share her life. She wants to share her body with you. So what's the secret to get all this going? The secret is to start with you. Now I know some of you may be tired of hearing other coaches and other people saying, it starts with you, it starts with you. That's because it starts with you. That is the key thing to emotional maturity and having access to the heart, is the ability to stand in the gap for ourselves and say, it starts with me. So you may be spending all your life chasing women and making it about women and being obsessed with women, but you've forgotten one specific special person, and that person is you. If you and I were to get on a call right now and I would say, babe, tell me what's going on in your heart. Tell me when's the last time your heart's been excited? When's the last time your heart's gone on an adventure? What's the biggest thing your heart's afraid of? You're gonna go, Arica, what the hell are you talking about? And that right there is the problem. And if that's you, I encourage you to sign up for a coaching session very quickly. But the thing is, we all have to go down this path. At some point, we have to be accountable for ourselves. And as we're accountable for ourselves and we're able to show up for one another, you're able to show up for that woman. You're able to mirror her heart back to her. You're able to speak into her heart. You're able to see her heart. She then becomes addicted to you because you have done something. You have tapped into her source in a way that no other man has. And in that, she becomes tunnel vision for you. Who is this guy? I want to spend more time with him, because we all want to spend more time with people who see us, people who celebrate us, people who appreciate us. But I will say this over and over again, you cannot give away what you don't have for yourself. So baby, start with you. Great to be obsessed with her, but you better get obsessed with yourself. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. You are great, you are loved, you are champion. There's never gonna be another one like you. You have a voice that will change the world. You're exceptional, you're exquisite, you're powerful, you're intelligent, you're magnificent, you're fabulous. We all wanna see you. This world is ready to celebrate you. We're ready for you to show up for you. You are loved just as you are. You are excellent, you're incredible.